Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So basically, I want to tell you something really interesting that will change the whole scenario of the market. And basically, from last 2 weeks or 3 weeks, we are making tons of profit on every dump of altcoins in my private group. And after that, I was like still bullish on Bitcoin on my Twitter and like altcoins as well. But after that, the BTC took a sharp dump, which was expected. I told my private group members about this. But even though I have spent like 4 years in this market, my psychology, my analysis, my research, and my experience, everything tells me that we are still bullish in midterm and the long term. But the short term fear, from the stock market and the recession and all that stuff, and due to the liquidations that were sitting around this level, 30,000 to $25,000, that was indicating us a huge dump. That's why every influencer, that they were super duper bearish on Bitcoin. But as I am researching from last 48 hours, like a deep analysis on Bitcoin, like again and again, I was bearish on all my analysis. That's we see this dump, but we like the analysis told us that we can expect 40,000 levels. But in my psychology, I was still bullish, so I kept researching and analyzing the market until I find the happiest news for you guys and the most interesting development in the market. So let me share that with you. This update can change the whole picture of BTC in front of you, and it can change the whole market scenario. Because today when I saw this heat map of Bitcoin, so basically there's a really interesting development. As you can see here, suddenly we saw a huge liquidations on around the level of $70,000, $72,000, and beyond that. So this is $41 billion worth of liquidations around here, for $38 billion of liquidations at $72,000, and if you kept calculating, it's more than $100 billion of liquidations if the market pumps. So if we see this chart, this pattern, and we can analyze that this could be the higher low, and after that we can take a recovery and we can pump. So this is also a bullish indication. And after that, this is the major development, the on-chain analysis. It is like telling us, if we start to pump on Bitcoin, then you will not be able to catch a single altcoin, or you will miss all the buyings. So don't wait for the levels of $48,000, $46,000. You just have to complete your buyings right now. You have to complete your buyings and leave them for like 1 or 2 months, and after that you will see your portfolios are growing massively. So don't come into fear of these influencers. Like, everyone is bearish because they watch each other. Um, but this is the real major development that we can see: 100 billion plus dollars worth of liquidations at these levels. So most probably in September, or maybe the first 2 quarters of October, we'll see a huge Bitcoin pump, or maybe a new all-time high. So get ready with your bags, fill your bags, and get ready with the market to pump. Don't wait for these levels to come. There's a very low possibility of these levels. The recession and a very uncertain news can bring BTC to these levels, and we are really bullish around $70,000, $72,500. If you ask me, how can we go to those levels? Like, the BTC is at $54,000. If you have spent like 4 years or 5 years in this market, you already know that if BTC wants to pump, it can pump like $5 or $10,000 in a single day as well. That's not a problem. So within 1 or 2 weeks, the BTC will be out of your hands, and you will like out of the market, and you will miss every opportunity. If you don't want to miss any opportunity, make sure to fill your bags. And if you haven't joined my free group, like free WhatsApp group, The link is on my bio on my Twitter, and make sure to join. I share updates, and we cannot always make videos, so I am always active on my WhatsApp group with my community. We make profit on altcoins, we trade futures, and make sure to follow. And if you're watching this on YouTube, make sure to subscribe, and on LinkedIn, make sure to follow. So this was the major development and the most bullish and the happiest news for all of you guys. I am ready with my bags even the market dumps, but this is the best one way analysis that you can get, that I'm clearly telling you the BTC is going to pump. There's no dump coming now. We are most probably around the bottom. So get ready. If the sentiments change, I'll make another video. If we remain bullish, I'll tell you, I'll notify you. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Take care, have a nice day. This is me, Omar, signing off. Allah Hafiz.